Hello, welcome to another 10-minute Tuesday challenge. This is where I challenge myself to make either a journal or something nice for a journal in 10 minutes or less, and I do it every Tuesday. My name is Laura, and I'm from the Queen of Mirth. And I am so grateful to be here with you today, so let's get on with it. This is a junk journal that I am just starting, and all I have in it is paper put together. And I'm going to make for this junk journal 2 pages that will have pockets, and they will be like this. So now I will set my timer. Oh dear. Okay, can you see? I hope so. Anyway, it's at 10 minutes. So here we go, and it will make a big dinging sound when the 10 minutes is up. It's unmistakable. Now, I'm going to first of all fold this so I know where the middle is, because the middle is going to be in the spine. Now, all I need to do is first of all, I think I'm going to glue down this flap. Just needs a little bit of glue for that. There. Now, I'll get this out of the way, and I've chosen some scrapbook paper. I have a book of scrapbook paper from Michael's that I got. I think it's called their Hot Buys or something, and I want to use it up. I don't have a lot of scrapbook paper compared to some people. Like, I have a friend who has, she said 200 pads of it, but I think she might have only 150, but maybe she has 250 for all I know. Anyway, she has more than I, because I only have maybe 4. But I don't want to buy more until I use up some of this. I don't do traditional scrapbooking, but I do use the paper quite a bit for journaling, or making journals and making lovely things to put in the journals. And this particular book that I got at Michael's is, I think it's called In Bloom. Anyway, it's fairly inexpensive. It's about a third of the price of their other books of scrapbooking paper, but it's really nice quality, so I'm happy. Yes, I am. Now let's make sure this is going to fit. Yes, I think it is. Okay, now I want another one, a little bit different, but also really nice. I think I'll use this as my template because it's thicker. Knocking things around. I think the older I get, the clumsier I become. Tell me why that is. If anybody knows, tell me, please, in the comments. Why am I so clumsy when I didn't used to be? It's terrible. Yeah, I'm getting older. Notice I didn't say I'm getting old. I'm in my 70s, but sometimes I don't feel like it at all until I start dropping everything. I don't know if that's an age thing, or I don't know, whatever. It is what it is. And I just have to be careful with hot things and sharp things. Okay, let's have a look and see how this is. Will it fit? Will it fit? I think so. Nice. Okay, I'm going to glue this together. But first of all, I'm going to make sure I know where the middle is. Now I will put in the comment box, or not the comment box, the description box down below, I will put in the materials I've used and the equipment that I've used for this little project. I better hurry though. It seems to me that that time might go by and I won't even know it. Okay, now let's going to glue these together, but I'm going to leave room for pockets. This one will have the top ones, I guess, and this one will have a side one. It doesn't really matter, but I like a bit of variety. Since they say it's the spice of life, and I think there's a lot to that. I think you might agree. Variety is the spice of life, or one of the many spices of life, if not the spice of life. Okay. My goodness, I've really messed up here. I've messed up because I glued the whole thing, but it's not unsalvageable. I'm going to make the pocket. Instead of wasting my 10 minutes redoing it, I'm going to make the pocket in the envelope, not where the paper is. But this one I won't mess up with. See, I just want to do it this way. There. I find that every time I ever make a mistake, it's fixable. Anyway, it's okay. Okay, now this one, the pocket's going to be at the top, unmistakably. And I just put a beads, a thin line. It's all good. Trim off the excess, which is actually going to open it on, now it's going to be open on both. No, it's not. Okay, good. Now you are going to be, see, I have a side here, and I can make another side in here. Or I can make an up and down one. I think I'll make another side one. I hear that lemon timer ticking. Sounds like a time bomb from here, but I don't know if you can hear it or not. You know how on TV shows they have time bombs sometimes? It's a tick, tick, tick. It's like an old-fashioned alarm clock. That's what it sounds like. Okay, I'm not quite done. I'm going to make another pocket. Here. That's pretty cute. Little raccoon, just from a magazine. That's one of the things I just love about junk journaling, is that we get to use all different kinds of paper and stuff from items that would have been thrown away or recycled, I guess. But it's nice to give them another life. So here we are, and that's another pocket. And I can make another pocket here. That is so cute. I love it. I'm so happy. Now that looks a little uneven, so I'm going to put some washi tape at the bottom to just even it up a bit, make it look better. I don't know. I think that the picture is crooked. Now I'm going to spend half of my 5 minutes or my 10 minutes trying to get the washi tape to come. That's not good. I love washi tape, and I bet you do too. There. That's better. Okay, so how are we doing? I think we want another pocket. Easy done. With this scrap of scrapbooking paper. Yes. There. Now I think we're good to go. Here's the junk journal. I'll just find a spot. maybe behind this one. Oh. And it just goes in here like this. Oh, I just made it. I just made it in the 10 minutes. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. Oh, I did it. Anyway, this is how it will be. Kind of like that. Is that not nice in a junk journal? I think so. 10 minutes exactly. And then this one. Like so. And this one like so. Oh, this is so good. Now this one, I thought that I would leave it for now, and while I'm, later when I'm doing the journal a bit more, I might make a corner, slant corner pocket, a triangular one or something like that. I don't know. But in the meantime, I can put things in here. See? Oh, I'm really happy with this. It's not too bad. So I'm not going to keep any tags in the pockets because there may be some wet glue in there still. I don't want my tags to get glue on them. So here we are. And yeah, this is another kind of cute thing that I made out of a real estate brochure. Anyway, here we are. Thank you so much for being with me this morning. And I really appreciate it. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. And I hope that it would help you too, because it'd be easier for you to see my upcoming videos. And if you like this particular challenge, please press the like button. I really appreciate your being with me, as I've already said, and I hope that you'll come back and see me again. Take care. Bye.